Jeff here, East Texas ADV. Well, I did it. I said I was going to do it, and I finally did it. What did I do? Well, for those of you that have been watching the channel, you know. For those that don't and that are new, take a second, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you get future notifications, because this is definitely going to be something you're going to want to watch. Anyways, well, we're going to get out here to the shop, and we are going to see what it is. All right. Yeah, I got a lot of projects going. All right. Are we ready? Again, thanks for watching us, man. You guys are going to be really, really surprised at what we do with this thing.